Howdy, and welcome back. Today's lesson is going to provide an introduction to functions. What I'm going to start out with before we get into writing functions in C++ is how we can write better functions, how we can write functions well. A lot of this content is going to come from Martin's 2009 Clean Code book. I'd encourage you to pick up a copy and read it at some point. It's quite good. What I'd like to also point out is in regards to the second topic of the day, writing functions in C++, we're not going to cover everything today. We'll get into different features or ways to pass arguments to our functions in a lecture at a later time. And we'll also begin talking about function overloading a bit later in the semester. Today's topics are going to talk briefly about the declaration as well as the declaration of functions in our programs. We'll get into some conventions on where each of those components of the function typically live. And then we'll see how those conventions apply to the compilation process when we talk about compiling later this week. So with that ado, we'll go ahead and get into functions here.